Do you live in Outlook's calendar? If you're anything like me, the rule is if it's not in the calendar, it probably isn't happening. But wouldn't it be useful to have holidays added in? I'm not just talking about your holidays, but the national or international holidays. Hi, I'm Michelle, your computer trainer, helping you with tips and tricks to use your everyday computers quickly and easily. Well, the good news is if you would like to add standard holidays into your calendar, you can get Outlook to do that for you. So first off, here we are in Outlook. It doesn't matter which section you're in, whether you're in email or calendar or any of the others, because actually we're going to go into the settings. So first into File, move my video out of the way, and then I'm going to click on Options on the left hand side, which opens up the dialog box, and then again on the left hand side we click on Calendar because that's where we want to add our holidays. We've got the first section is work time, and then we've got calendar options, and if you look down a little bit you can see you've got add holidays to your calendar. Just click on the button, and then what you've got is all of the countries and some religious options as well. Although it looks like it's at the top, this is actually a list. I was at the bottom, so we can scroll all the way to the top. Choose your country, or in fact you can choose the countries that you work with to add their particular holidays in. You'll notice that we've also got religious holidays, so if I want to add, for example, Christian, what else we got, Islamic, I'm just going to choose this Jewish, etc. So you can do that however you want. I'm actually going to take some of those out because I don't really want all of them. I'm going to leave the Christian ones in. Actually no, let's leave all of those in. So once I've selected what I want, including any countries, so let's say I also want the US holidays, all I need to do is click OK. It starts to import them. It'll process through for all of the options that you've chosen. So there was the Christian, we're on to the Islamic Shia options. Going into the Jewish, so as you can see it's doing it alphabetically. Really should have chosen less options to do at this point. Apparently there are an awful lot of Jewish holidays. Into the UK ones, of which by comparison we don't have many. Any special ones like we had for this year of 2020, those won't automatically go in. This is actually referring to just the standard yearly holidays. Almost there. There you go. The holidays were added to the calendar. I can say OK there, it closes down, and then all I need to do is when I switch to my calendar, you can see as I scroll through, just make it easier, you can see that I've got all of the holidays. And let me switch to the month view so it's a bit easier for you to see. You can see that I've got all of the standard holidays, wherever they are, added in. Okay, that's just my computer being a bit fuzzy. So if I actually choose August, it's apparently decided to only show me July. Okay, let's choose the end of August. You can see the holidays are actually there. Okay. So, quick and easy. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. It really does help with the channel. And remember to subscribe to be notified as new videos are published. See you next time.